practice and enrichment. So before we carry on, all of us, Lee, you ready? Let's push this nest. Let's go. All the way back. Okay, everyone, this budding trip has been a dream come true. Birds, they are everywhere. Social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. And that is why they are one of the strongest creatures you will ever find in our planet. And that is also why, as a birder, I love to travel across continents to see them. But what I really love to see now is birds from all over the world, right here, right now. Well, you know what, Mitra? I think your wish is about to come true. Really?